In today's energy markets, let's take a look at WTI crude futures today as they're realizing a second day of selling pressure. We're seeing them down about 2.5% currently, gapping down actually today as we did see a significant drop intraday with a low of 65.14. So currently right around 66.65 and again, trying to recover from the intraday lows, but still trading down to basically a 3-week low here when you look at the price action today. And I think when you look at some of the reasons why we're realizing some further selling pressure, there's a couple of reasons I think to point to. Number one, the storyline in China as you see restrictions being put back into place from the COVID situation unfolding there. Also, just some of the changes within the structure of China certainly is having an impact as far as the relationship with the U.S. and some of the other things that are taking place right now. And we're also seeing a peak in manufacturing in China. The numbers recently have been trending as a little bit lower than expectations. And also we did see a GDP revision for China as we move into the second half of the year being scaled back over the weekend as well. So I think those factors are really dampening a global demand storyline. And we did see exports in the U.S. Decline here in the last couple of weeks as well. Couple that with the dollar continuing to show renewed strength here and pushing back up towards the 93 handle. And with that, I mean, in theory, that does present a headwind for WTI. It's not necessarily a significant driving force within the WTI space, but certainly can have an impact as we do see the dollar trending higher. And when you look at some of the trends in place, I do want to point out now we're seeing WTI really kind of having a challenge here at these levels as we did see it push back up to 70, but now testing the low end of the range. And really when you look back to July 20th low, we tested that level earlier in the session today, came off it. So we're currently holding those lows from July, but then you have to go back to really the end of May to see the price action here around the 66 half level. And, that's got some market technicians concerned. I think it's got some momentum players concerned as well. And I think that's why you're seeing some of the volatility within the space and some of the price action that the market's realizing as, again, the demand storyline seems to be the driving theme here in the WTI futures once again today.